why you should use Shopify for drop shipping. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you guys why you need to use Shopify for your drop shipping business or for your e-commerce business. Okay, so as you can see that some of the new features that Shopify offers right now, it is so amazing, and also these features, they make Shopify to stand out from its competitors. Okay, one of the things I like about Shopify is that you can use Shopify for 30 days only for $1, guys. Only for $1. Just for $1, you can able to get access with all Shopify features. I'm going to show you some of these features that come with Shopify, guys. Okay, and not only that, you can also use Shopify for 3 days with no credit card required, guys. You can able to get access all of these new features that comes with Shopify. This makes this platform the best drop shipping platform right now. Okay, let's go back to the question, guys. Okay, why you should use Shopify for drop shipping? Okay, let's take a look at these brands. I'm sure, let's scroll down. I'm sure you know some of these big companies such as Gymshark. You know some of these big brands that they are using Shopify to create their own online stores. It tells me something. I don't know about you, but if we go to gymshark.com right now, if we click here, this company is based in the United Kingdom. Okay, it's based in the United Kingdom. This store, guys, was created using Shopify, and also this company is a multi-billion dollar company, guys. Okay, based from United Kingdom, and also they're using Shopify to create this store. Okay, this means that you can do the same thing. Not only you can also create a multi-billion store company, but you can also create only maybe for 4-figure company. Maybe you can make $5,000 per month with your store, guys. It tells you something. Okay, as you can see, all of these products, they were designed by using Shopify. Okay, let's go back here to Shopify, guys. Okay, as you can see, there are so many brands that they are using Shopify, such as Crate and Barrel, and also Lisa, and also this one, Rebecca, Minkoof. There are so many brands that are using Shopify. Okay, let's scroll down and also let's see this. What is Shopify, and also how does it work? Maybe you're asking yourself this question. Okay, what is Shopify, and also how does Shopify works? Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. With Shopify, it comes with done-for-you stores that you can able to customize with your own specific brands, with your own specific niche that you want to sell on Shopify. Okay, you can make money with Shopify by using done-for-you stores from Shopify. You don't have to create any store. You don't have to create any store online. You don't have to create any store from scratch, but Shopify allows you to use their own customized stores, guys. Okay, you can, if you want to create your own store from scratch, you can do that, guys. You can do that. Okay, with Shopify, you can sell in multiple places. There are no limits on where you can sell your store. You can sell in multiple locations, guys, all over the world. You can do that with Shopify. With Shopify, you can manage multiple products on your store, guys. You can have unlimited products on your store. You can have unlimited inventories. You can have unlimited payments. You can ship unlimited products on your customers using Shopify, guys. Okay, and also what I like about Shopify is that Shopify is a complete based hosted, which means that you don't have to worry about upgrading or maintaining those annoying softwares on your laptop or on your PC, guys. This is a web-based platform which makes it easy for beginners to use Shopify, including you can also use Shopify on your mobile phone, guys. Okay, so okay, maybe asking yourself, okay, how much does Shopify cost? Okay, so as I said earlier on to you guys, you have two options. Okay, you can use Shopify for 3 days for free. You can have all of the features that comes with Shopify. You don't have to pay anything for 3 days. Shopify allows you that you don't have to put your credit card for 3 days. You can have all of the features that comes with Shopify, or you can use Shopify for 30 days only for $1, guys. Only for $1. You can have all of the features that comes with Shopify only for $1 the whole month. 30 days free trial, guys. Okay, let's see some of the plans that let's say that you want to use Shopify. If you want to pay on a daily basis, I highly recommend that you can use the basic plan. The most popular one is gonna be costing you $25 per month, guys. Okay, with this plan you can have 10 inventory locations. You can have 24/7 chat support from Shopify. If there's anything that you want to know about Shopify, you can contact Shopify support team. They are available to you 24/7, guys. Okay, with Shopify, they have localized global selling, 3 markets, all of those things. Okay, but if you want to pay on a yearly basis, you can save up to 25% off, meaning that instead of paying $25 per month, the cost now is gonna be only $19 per month, meaning that you can save 25% off, guys. Okay, you can check all of these plans when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, can I use my own domain with Shopify? Yes, you can use your own domain name with Shopify. If you don't have any domain, if let's say you don't know any domain name, you can go to namecheap.com, guys. Buy a domain name. It's gonna be costing you only for $5. That's it. And then you can also connect that domain to Shopify, and also Shopify is gonna be helping you on how to connect that domain, guys. Shopify, they have the amazing support team. Okay, do I need to be a designer or a developer in order to use Shopify for my dropshipping business? The answer is no. You don't need to be a designer or a developer in order to use Shopify. After signing up with Shopify, it allows you to customize and look and feel off your store with the online store builder with themes. Because Shopify, they're giving you all of the done for you themes that you can customize for your dropshipping business. Okay, if let's say Shopify allows you to come up with a done for you themes, done for you stores for your own Shopify store, guys. Okay, you can also customize them, guys, such as Gymshark. Okay, there are so many done for you stores from Shopify that looks like Gymshark. You can also change the prices, all of those things using Shopify, guys. Okay, what else? So if they said, what I like about Shopify is that if you need more extra, guys, you can contact Shopify. So at Shopify, they're gonna able to help you with the Shopify expert. That's gonna able to help you on your Shopify journey, guys, on how to make money or using Shopify for your dropshipping business, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna back to you as soon as possible, guys. Okay, and also don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. That's gonna take you to this page. This is whereby, guys, that you can able to use Shopify only for $1 for 30 days free trial, guys. Okay, for your dropshipping business, guys. Okay, I hope Shopify is gonna help you a lot in this year, because Shopify, they have so amazing features that you will see inside the members area of Shopify, guys. Take care and may God bless you sharp, guys.